Sorkar jala ka khmilti ba kan don ka Jingkham state ha ka Khot Tnad Biang ki company ki badon ya kamon man Pynïaid ki ambulance 108 ha ka jala ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo menteri badai khmi ya tan ka koi ka khia ka Sorkar jala ka laong ba ka Khot Tnad Biang ban Pynïaid ya ka ni ka kam kalong hadin ka Jingkantu ka Tnad an khnang bandum ya tungkhu jinge kum ki khindiat nai baladem ka laong balada ka model code of conduct na ka banta collection MP Lok Sabha ka trei kam no kumta ka Sorkar kanumla le shu banya sakmat but kumbalong menta ka National Health Mission ka danghap an Pynïaid ki ambulance 108.
We had sent the documents of the tender of the 108 for advice from the Department of Law. And having seen that there were certain anomalies and there were claims and counterclaims of competing bidders. Amongst the bidders themselves, they were competing and they were getting very restless and they were getting very, they were presenting documents of various kinds. So therefore, when we send it to the law department, the advisory given by the law department is this particular tender, even prior to opening the financial bid, we've only opened the technical bids. And we've seen that we will be likely to be facing a few legal challenges if we go ahead with this. And we have been advised that we should, in fact, re-tender the 108 services once again. Like I said, we want to provide the best facility to the people of the state of Meghalaya. And I look forward to this happening very quickly. Now, in case the model code of conduct gets announced and we are still not able to present or start for the calling of the bids again, we still have the current situation where the NHM themselves are running the 108. I am in touch with 108 workers and they are a little restless, thinking that, okay, what is going to be their fate? But let me assure all that we are on the job and we are working out things, and we should not be pressurized to finalize a tender when we are not comfortable. And right now the Department of Health is not comfortable and we are taking a call. It may create some queries and displeasure, but we take a call as per what we feel needs to get done.
Any time frame for the?
We are not going to be again put under pressure by anyone. We want to install a 108 service that's going to be good, that's going to be serving. We want to improve the quality of our ambulances. We want to dovetail technology. That's why you hear the word radio technology. It's actually not radio technology per se, but it's a technology wherein we connect to a main center, to PCR, with all connected to all our ambulances across. So let us do a good job and don't put anyone under pressure. We are not under pressure, and we're going to make sure that what is done in the right way.